This morning we are starting with a petitioner to initiate rulemaking, the self-exclusion term limits, Petitioner Adams. I believe we have the translator with us here, so see if we can get that.
Yes, the translator is here. Oh.
Good morning, Trisha Gullian here, Legislative and Rules Manager. Yes, we are going to start with Petitioner Adams' request, and I believe the translator is going to translate what I'm saying so the petitioner is on the line. So I'm going to take this a little bit by chunks. This is a carryover from last month as we were having technical difficulties. Petitioner Adams is requesting to change the WAC, allowing her and other self-exclusion participants the option to remove themselves from the self-exclusion program before their term has expired.
This is the Mandarin interpreter. You want me to start interpreting into Mandarin?
Yes, please.
Okay. Sorry, this is the Cantonese interpreter. 所以呢個請願人咧 Adam 姐就係要求咧就係我哋上個月因為有技術嘅困難啦，所以要改你今日嘅，所以佢係要求咧將佢哋嘅呢個自我排除嘅計劃之中咧就係移除嘅，就係佢嘅限期已經過咗啦，所以依家就係唔使限制佢自己啦。
For background, this would require adding a section to WAC 230-23 to allow individuals to remove themselves from this voluntary self-exclusion program before their term has expired.
咁就係咧，希望呢個就需要佢哋咧喺自我嘅呢個排除計劃之中咧，就係喺呢個結束之前咧，就係需要有咁樣嘅一個排期去聽今日嘅呢個就係聽審至可以將佢喺呢個計劃之中咧就移除嘅。
In 2022, the Commission established rules around self-exclusion after soliciting extensive feedback. Current WAC rules state the purpose of this chapter is to establish a centralized statewide self-exclusion program administered by the Commission, allowing a person with a gambling problem or gambling disorder to voluntarily self-exclude themselves from licensed house-banked card rooms and participating tribal gaming facilities.
喺2022年咧，委員會就係喺徵求廣泛嘅呢個意見之後咧，就制定咗一個規矩。目前嘅呢個規矩咧，就係説明咗呢個目的咧係建立一個由委員會管理嘅中央集權嘅計劃。呢個係允許咧有賭博問題抑或賭博障礙嘅人咧係可以自願嘅自我排除。去唔去嗰啲執照嘅，譬如話去賭場啊，抑或去參與任何嘅呢啲賭博嘅設施。
The WAC further lines out that at the time of enrollment, the participant must select a period of enrollment for self-exclusion, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, and that once enrolled, the participant cannot be removed from the program prior to the initial selected period of enrollment for voluntary self-exclusion.
咁呢個 WAC 嘅計劃咧，就係參加咗之後咧，呢個參與者係可以自我選擇呢個參與嘅呢個時間嘅1年、3年、5年抑或10年。一旦註冊參與咗之後咧，佢唔可以提早喺呢個計劃之中咧就係排除嘅，除非佢滿足所有嘅佢自己揀嘅呢個時間為止。
After an individual decides to participate in the self-exclusion program, they must enroll. On the enrollment form, participants must select an exclusion timeframe. The self-exclusion form states, once enrolled, you cannot be removed from the program prior to the selected period of enrollment.
一旦參與咗呢個計劃之後咧，你哋呢個參與者必須要揀自我排除賭博嘅時間框架。一旦你揀咗個時間，你就唔可以喺呢個選擇嘅時間之前咧提早就係結束嘅。
All participants who sign up for the program sign and acknowledge that they understand what they are voluntarily signing up for.
所有報名參加呢個計劃嘅人咧，佢哋係簽署咗文件，並且咧係承認佢哋了解呢個自願註冊嘅所有內容嘅。
RCW 9-46-071 authorizes the Commission to establish a statewide self-exclusion program for all licensees and adopt rules. The Commission has discretion in establishing the scope, process, and requirements of the self-exclusion program, including denying, suspending, or revoking an application, license, or permit.
RCW 9-46-071嘅呢個授權委員會咧，可以建立全州範圍對於所有許可仲有採用規則嘅呢個委員會，可以決定咧建立呢個自我排斥嘅計劃嘅範圍、過程、要求，包括拒絕、暫停抑或撤銷呢個認可。
I will now ask if Petitioner Adams would like to address the commissioners.
好，依家問下就係我哋嘅呢個申請者 Adam 是否有任何嘢要同我哋嘅委員會講呢？你有嘢講嗎？
He dropped off. No.
Oh, looks like we lost the.
Okay, so I believe she's dropped off.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving forward, the commission must take action within 60 days. This petition was, the petitioner did agree to extend that timeline. Your options are you can initiate rulemaking, and that if that was to happen, the staff would would contact the code revisor and open up the 101. After that, we would initiate feedback from stakeholders and tribal partners before coming back to you with draft language for further review and action. The commission could continue in the rulemaking process, or you could deny the petition.
好，咁呢個委員會咧就必須喺60日之中咧採取行動嘅。呢份請願咧係可以同意延長呢個時間表嘅。你可以揀就係可以就係開啟呢個規則嘅制定，抑或如果有咁嘅情況咧，工作人員咧就會係聯繫我哋嘅呢個申請者咧，然後咧會將利益相關者嗰啲我哋嘅反饋咧一定會介紹入你嘅下一步嘅呢個審查嘅行動。我哋委員會會決定係咪要拒絕你嘅請願，抑或接受你嘅請願。
Okay, is the petitioner still not here?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. So I understand that the staff has gone to great lengths to ensure that this hearing was set up and that we had translators available. I don't know if there's anyone on the staff that can speak to the efforts that were made for just briefly.
I'll go ahead and summarize.
我知道呢 should the interpreter also interpret this part?
Yes, please.
我知道我哋嘅工作人員咧係有盡力咧將今日嘅聽證會咧就係以比較好嘅方式建立嘅。我哋亦都有僱用呢個翻譯㗎啦。咁我哋嘅工作人員可以同我哋講下佢哋做過嘅努力係乜嘢，總結係乜嘢。
Could you, interpreter, could you please let us know if she comes back, and if she does come back, if she can speak, then we'll just take her comments immediately.
I see her online, but she's muted.
Page 2.
你喺度嘛？你聽到我講嘢嘛？
As soon as she is able to unmute, is there
如果你可以打開麥，你可以講嘢。
I can go ahead and speak, and then translator, if she is able to unmute at any time, just allow her to go ahead and speak and interrupt. That's as I go through what actions we've taken to make this possible. We're happy to go ahead and I'll pause as soon as she can unmute.
你
begin
幾時打得開你個咪，你就可以開始講嘢，你唔使等下。我哋依家開始就繼續進行啦。如果你打得到開你個咪，你就開始講嘢，你唔使等。
Okay, so in an effort to ensure that we had a translator available at the time of the commission meeting, we entered into a
Wait.
special contract.
為咗我哋今日嘅呢個聽證會咧，係會有翻譯嘅服務咧，我哋就係簽咗一份嘅特別嘅合同啦。
So this contract ensured that we had a translator available. They started at 9 o'clock to help facilitate the petitioner to be able to do a mic check and be ready to go at 9:30.
咁呢個合同咧就確保我哋有一個翻譯可以上線幫助翻譯。就今日9點開始就幫助我哋嘅呢個請願人咧，就係去 check 咗佢個mic 啦，然後我哋亦都可以聽到佢講嘢，亦都可以做咗呢個檢查，喺9點半開始正式開始嘅。
This contract also called for a practice session on Tuesday, March 10th, of which the same translator participated.
我哋亦都幾日前咧做咗一次練習嘅會議，同一個翻譯亦都進行過呢個檢查嘅。
To ensure the petitioner received the correct information to participate in the practice run on March 10th, as well as then had the instructions for today, we drafted an email and sent it to the translator to have it translated and emailed to the petitioner.
為咗確保3月10號練習嘅嗰啲所有嘅信息得到正確嘅指示咧，我哋就係寫咗一封電子郵件，然後就由翻譯人員咧翻譯咗，用電子郵件嘅方式咧就係寄咗俾我哋嘅請願人㗎啦。
The email said, "Dear Petitioner Adams, as a petitioner at the Washington State Gambling Commission's March 12th, 2026 commission meeting, we would like to conduct a test on March 10th for you to log into the meeting, where we will provide a pre-scheduled Cantonese interpreter at 11 o'clock to ensure connectivity."
呢個電子郵件嘅呢個內容就係咧我哋嘅親愛嘅請願者 Adams 咧華盛頓州嘅呢個賭博委員會嘅請願書就係3月12號咧委員會會議，我哋希望喺3月10號進行一個測試，以便你喺3月12號登錄到我哋嘅會議嗰陣時咧，我哋係預先安排好嘅呢個粵語翻譯俾你，確保我哋嘅連接冇問題。
It goes on to say, after the test meeting, you will join the meeting again on March 12th for our regularly scheduled commission meeting, where we will call on you to join either virtually or by phone.
呢個測試會議結束之後咧，你會喺3月12日咧再次加入會議，我哋會然後通過電話咧，抑或線上網上嘅會議咧，就係叫你參與真正個3月12號嘅呢個聽證會會議。
The virtual login and phone numbers with codes are provided below.
我哋就係線上登錄加入會議，抑或電話號碼嘅代碼喺今日嘅呢個電郵入邊亦都有寫出嚟嘅。
The email goes to give state March 10th, 2026, 11 a.m. PST. It then gives a link to click here to join the virtual meeting. It gives the meeting ID, passcode, also gives an option to join the meeting by phone and provides the conference ID number.
呢個電郵咧係喺2026年3月10號咧，就係11點 PST 朝頭早咧就寄出嘅。咁然後呢個電郵入邊亦都有呢次會議嘅呢個連結，仲有會議嘅 ID 密碼，仲提供咗通過電話加入會議，並且提供會議 ID 號嘅選項。
The email goes on to provide a March 12th, 2026, 9 a.m. PST link to join the meeting by clicking here to join. Provides the meeting ID number, the passcode, the phone number to join the meeting on the 12th, as well as the conference ID number.
電子郵件咧繼續就係提供咗3月12號2026年3月12號9點 PST 嘅一個入會連結，仲有提供嘅會議 ID 編號、密碼、電話號碼以及加入12月會議，仲有會議 ID 編號。
The email goes on to state for the March 12th meeting, please allow a few minutes for the application to sync with your device. Note all attendees' cameras and microphones will be automatically disabled when entering the meeting. As a pre-registered presenter, your microphone will be enabled when you join the meeting.
呢個電子郵件咧就繼續咁樣説明咧3月12號嘅會議嘅狀態，就係你可以早幾分鐘上線以便我哋嘅呢個 APP 咧同我哋嘅設備可以同步。請注意所有參與者嘅相機仲有麥咧就會除非你係預先註冊，否則嘅話咧你嘅麥就會就係關閉嘅。但係如果你預先註冊咗之後咧，你加入會議嗰陣時，你嘅麥就可以啟用㗎啦。
The email goes on to say a few things to keep in mind. Please state your name and affiliation for the record as you begin. Speak up clearly.
電子郵件就繼續講幾件事係需要註明嘅。第一就係説明你嘅姓名啦，仲有關係，以便你喺開始嗰陣時咧，我哋可以記錄低。仲有你講嘢嗰陣時要清楚咁講嘢。
Be mindful of your visual background. Use a virtual background if possible.
要注意你嘅視覺嘅背景啦，如果可能嘅話咧，請你使用一個虛擬嘅呢個背景。
Unusual items or scenery may be distracting. Be mindful of background noise. It is distracting and creates a situation where the commissioners cannot hear you accurately.
嗰啲不尋常嘅物品啊，抑或風景咧，可能會分散注意力，所以你要注意一下。仲要就係要注意背景嘅呢啲噪音，佢可能會分散我哋嘅注意力，而並且會造成我哋嘅專員咧冇辦法準確咁樣聽到你嘅情況。
Goes on to say after the microphone.
講咧就係你講完你個證詞之後咧，你就會被靜音㗎啦。你個相機仲有你個麥咧，就會俾我哋嘅工作人員咧就係咁用嘅。
If you have any questions regarding this process, please contact Shannon Moore or Erica Davis. It provides the email link to both Shannon and Erica.
如果你對於成個過程有任何嘅疑問咧，你可以聯繫 Shannon Moore 又或 Eric Davis，下邊亦都有提供兩者。
I'm gonna look to Shannon. When was this email sent?
Shannon 呢個電郵係幾時發送嘅呢？
We'll get that information out. So, and then staff reported back the afternoon of Tuesday, March 10th, that the test was successful. The test was carried out here at LCB.
我哋陣間將呢個郵件發出嘅時間再次報告，然後我哋嘅工作人員喺3月10號星期二下晝報告咧，我哋當時嘅呢個測試係成功嘅。
At that time, on the 10th, staff reported that the translator and the petitioner Adams were with
完報告3月10翻譯人員仲有請願人咧 Adams 咧係可以溝通嘅，然後同我哋嘅工作團體亦都可以進行溝通。
and the email was sent to petitioner Adams that I just read on March 5th.
嗰個電郵係
Adams to get petitioner Adams successfully into and able to speak in the meeting.
大概今日朝頭早9點左右咧，我哋嘅請願人 Adam 仲有翻譯人員，仲有我哋嘅工作人員咧，就開始使用各種唔同嘅方式。
For
呢個 Adam 請願人進入我哋嘅會議之後咧，我哋工作人員咧嘗試就將佢個麥咧嘅就嗰個正音就係取消。
problems were encountered and staff reached out and tried to communicate via phone with petitioner Adams and also sent screenshots of instructions of how to unmute on her side.
當時係有少少問題嘅，所以我哋嘅工作人員咧就要通過電郵咧就係寄咗一啲截圖咧俾我哋嘅請願人 Adams 咧，俾佢知道如何可以取消佢嘅靜音。
Prior to the meeting this morning, we were able to connect and have audio received from petitioner Adams.
會議正式開始之前咧，我哋係可以聽到我哋今日嘅呢個請願人 Adams 講嘢嘅，係可以同佢溝通，亦都有聽到佢説話。
And we can see phone number 503-358-4052. It's believed to be petitioner Adams, who's contacted us from that number earlier today. The petitioner Adams is on the line now.
我哋係可以睇到一個電話號碼503-358-4052，呢個應該係相信係 Adam 請願者佢個電話號碼，亦都係今朝同我哋聯繫講嘢嗰個電話號碼嚟嘅。
Teams indicates that number has been unmuted, and at this time we'll see if petitioner Adams can provide verbal comment.
好，我哋嘅團隊表示咧，呢個號碼依家已經係靜音咗嘅，係取消靜音嘅啦，已經係靜音緊嘅。所以依家試下睇下我哋嘅 petitioner Adams 咧，就係請願人 Adams 咧係是否可以提供口頭嘅評論？你講得到嘢嗎？
All right, thank you for that. So, yes, so commission staff has done a lot to ensure that this hearing worked well, and I appreciate the efforts. Unfortunately, it does appear we are still having some technical difficulties. That being said, instead of taking action right now, I'm going to move this tab 1 to the end of the meeting, wherein the petitioner has from now until then to provide us with written comment and written comment only regarding this. So,
咁，sorry。 好，咁睇起嚟，我哋工作人員做咗好多事情嚟確保我哋今次嘅聽證會係會可以運作良好嘅。好感謝你哋嘅努力，但係視乎咧，我哋依家仍然係面對一啲技術性嘅問題，所以依家我就唔會喺馬上採取行動㗎啦。我會將我哋呢個 Tab 1咧移到會議結束之後再去做呢個判決啦。 所以你作為請願人咧，你可以之後咧提供書面嘅呢個評論抑或證詞俾我哋，因為你而家打開唔到麥講嘢，你之後用書面嘅呢個證詞寄俾我哋。
Okay, so yes, so if the petitioner can get written comment to us by the end of the meeting, we will take that into account and then take a vote.
好，如果你可以通過書面嘅方式、寫嘅方式，就係將你嘅評語，抑或你嘅證詞就係發表俾我哋咧，我哋就係可以就係開始投票啦。我哋會考慮你嘅證詞，然後開始投票啦。
Sorry, with Tricia Helion on the petition to initiate rulemaking for the self-exclusion term limits with Petitioner Adams that we started with, I don't know if Petitioner Adams has provided any written comment. Did any?
Erica, have we received any written comment from the petitioner?
I can say no, we have not.
No, we have not. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so since we did not receive written comments by the petitioner, I believe we can go ahead and take action on the materials that we've been provided this far. So do we have any questions from any commissioners first before we move forward? Right, we have a motion.
I move to deny the petition submitted by Wong Ping Adams due to Washington state self-exclusion rules being aligned with those of other states in also not allowing people to remove themselves from the list.
Second.
Okay, it's been moved and seconded. Any further discussion? All those in favor say aye.
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 Aye. All right, motion passes. Thank you, Tricia.